The best book for network marketers. What books should you be pouring into when you are in network marketing? Should you be worried about mindset? Should you be worried about strategy? That's what we're going to be talking about in today's video. And I've got for you my 5 tried and true network marketing books that I think every network marketer needs to learn about. And they're not your typical ones that you might see like the John Maxwell's or the Eric Worre's or anything like that. I'm going to kind of think outside of the box so that you guys have some more books in your toolbox to help you crush your business. And hey, if we're just meeting, my name is Julie Reynolds and I help network marketers brand themselves and bring their dream business online. So make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you never miss out. All right, what books do you need to be reading as a network marketer? First of all, I'm going to say that I think network marketing is a very amazing profession, but you need to pour into your mindset. So those of you that don't know me, I am a network marketer, but I am a licensed professional counselor as well. And I do believe that the key to success is your mindset. So network marketing is kind of like that personal development with a paycheck, right? So the more you pour into your mind, the more you pour into yourself, you are going to have more success. So I think it's a really nice balance between building out your mindset and also talking about strategy. All right, so these are the 5 books that I think are the best books for you to pour into, on top of obviously many, many others, but these are ones that you maybe have not already thought of, all right? So the first one is Kendra Hall. She is a professional storyteller and she has Story Your Way to Success in Direct Sales. Why do I love this book? I love this book because stories sell, right? Everybody thinks as network marketers when you're just getting started that you need to have like all of the facts and all of this information. Well, in reality, what really sells is your story. So you want to become a story collector. And so I love this book because she really walks you through how to be a storyteller, to sell your story, to sell your product, to sell your opportunity. And so this book is absolutely fantastic in helping you craft your story. So make sure you check it out. It is kind of like a workbook. It's not your traditional book, but man, I've done a lot of workshops on this and it has helped so many network marketers. All right, the next book that I have for you is probably one that you've never heard of before, and I actually saw him speak. His name is Tommy Spaulding, and it's called The Heartfelt Leader. And the reason that I love this book, The Heartfelt Leader, is because it talks about how to lead with your heart. What I found is when I stopped worrying about me and I started worrying about my team and helping my team succeed in network marketing, and I really became that heartfelt leader, my business started to flourish and my team's business started to flourish. Being a leader is something that does not come easily to a lot of people, and so we need a lot of training and a lot of, coaching when it comes to being a leader. And sometimes we're just kind of thrown into network marketing. I know for me, I joined and 4 months later, I hit the top ranks of my company having a team of like hundreds of women, and I had no idea what I was doing. I didn't know how to be a leader. And so I had to teach myself how to be a leader. And in this book that I share with you over here, The Heartfelt Leader, he really dives into and he interviews some of the most impactful leaders, some of the people that have overcome so many challenges and how they've brought a community together. And it really talks about the qualities of a leadership. So I really love that book in terms of leader. Now, here is a mindset book that I love. This one is Gay Hendricks. It is The Big Leap. And it really talks about taking your business, taking your mind to the next level and getting unstuck. And what he talks about in this book, if you haven't read it, strongly recommend it. It will really challenge you and your mindset and where you're going and really kind of push you and have you understand what it is that holds you back, right? So he talks about this ceiling and having us break through this ceiling because we are at this limit that we feel comfortable, but that's not where change happens. Change happens when you break through the ceiling. So this book, The Big Leap, is absolutely fantastic. Now, another great network marketing, this is a network marketing strategy book that I have, and if you guys don't follow him, Big Al Schreider, he is one of my near and dear network marketing friends. He's an amazing leader in the industry. He only does training right now, but this is the pre-closing. And what I love about Big Al and all of his trainings is that he really pours into the psychology behind building your network marketing business, where a lot of people are talking strategy, which is fantastic, but there's such a psychological component to selling, to understanding what people's minds are, to understanding where they're at in the decision-making process. And Big Al does an amazing job kind of helping you understand the psychology so that you can have massive success in your network marketing business. So I recommend all of his books, but I truly like the pre-closing book by Big Al over here. It is fantastic. Now, the other book that I have, I actually don't have a copy of it because I love to listen to it in my ears. And that book is called On Fire. It is absolutely amazing. It will light a fire underneath you. It will make you realize that your excuses are not going to hold you back any longer. And so what I do is I usually I listen to this book once or twice a year. I put my headphones in and I run to it, and it really just helps motivate me. It helps push me to the next level. Again, it's a mindset book and it's On Fire. And what I'm gonna have for you is I'm gonna have the links to all of these books in the description so that you can go ahead and you can get whichever books you feel that you need to be reading. But I will tell you that if you are not reading, you are not growing in your network marketing business. So I think it's really important to have a healthy balance, and that's why I've picked those books for you. You need to understand the sales process, you need to understand the mindset piece, you need to understand the network marketing piece, and really pouring into who you are, because we've never gone to school to become a network marketer, right? Like, I don't know about you, I got my master's in psychology and counseling, and I didn't know how to become a network marketer. I had to learn that. So what you have to do, because there is no degree in network marketing, is you really have to pour into yourself and pour into your reading. And so my question of the day for you is, what is your favorite personal development book? Please put it in the description below so that, I would love to know what other books we should be reading. So make sure you put it in below. Make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you never miss out of another episode of Julie Reynolds TV.